You're going to need a tube sock. Here's a pair. I did get these in the gray tone, and I'm going to be using one. And I found these floral beads at Dollar General. I took the tag off and put it at the bottom of my tube sock. I added a handful of filler on top of that. Tied it off with a rubber band. You could use jute if you choose. And then I put another rubber band between the filler and the beads. Then you're going to lay down your sock and you're going to cut it in half all the way to the first rubber band. I'm going to fold these flaps in half so that all the edging is tucked under, and then fold them down and tie jute on each one. And you're going to have little ears. And then I'm going to cut all the excess material off from the back. Again, you're going to take this cut portion, you're going to fold the edges in, and then fold it down to the height that you want your ears, and tie it off with jute. Some people prefer the jute over the rubber band. They fear that the rubber band over time will dry out and break. And then I'm just going to cut the excess material off from the back. And then I'm going to tie one more time the jute at the base of both these ears. And it's just going to hold everything together. Then I'm going to put some hot glue in between the ears, and this is going to just hold all the material and make it lay the way it should, and it's going to give a little stiffness to the ear as well. I found these little bow stickers. I'm going to take the one with the burlap tone, and I'm going to place it just at the base of both the ears. I'm going to take a black pipe cleaner. I'm going to twist it around a paintbrush and create these small, tiny black balls, which is going to be the eyes. And I'm going to hot glue them in place. Then I'm going to take a pink pipe cleaner and do the same wrap and use this as the nose. I'm going to take black floral wire. I'm going to wrap it around my paintbrush handle on the left side and the right side. And then I'm going to stick it through the sock at the side of the nose and have it come back out the other side of the nose. And this is going to be the whiskers. I found these at the Dollar Tree. They came in a multiple pack of different colors, and I'm going to cut the ears off and then cut them in half. I'm going to use these for the inside of my ears and just hot glue them in place. And then I'm going to use the ball from that same stick, and I'm going to use that as the tail in a few minutes. I'm going to tie a bow around his neck. Then I'm going to add these buttons. I got these at the Dollar Tree. I'm going to glue 2 buttons going down his body just under the bow. I'm going to glue the tail on. And then I had this heart. I believe I got it at Walmart. They're great for feet, and I glued him to the heart. And then I'm going to take one more pipe cleaner. It's in the white. I'm going to cut off a little piece and I'm going to place this just under the nose for his teeth. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.